Hello all, welcome to another video. Today I'm reviewing the Laser NAVC-L08 Dashcam. These are available in the Australian department store BigW for $50. Let's open it up and have a look. Definitely feels sturdier than the $10 Dashcam. The suction cup mounting bracket isn't perfect, but you just need to position it once and tighten it up good and proper. Note that the Dashcam kept falling off the mount and I had to glue it on. It's got a standard USB plug. This manual's too small for me to read. Fortunately, there's not much in it anyway. You basically just have to get power to the Dashcam and it'll start recording. I'll put an SD card in it and give it a test. It's got three modes: Dashcam, Picture and View. You select them by tapping the menu button. In picture mode, you press OK first to stop recording and then press menu. After that you can press OK and it will take pictures. There's two settings pages, one for picture mode and one for Dashcam mode. You hold down the menu button for 2 seconds. You shouldn't have to change anything in picture mode. It's basically just there to take photos in case of emergency. Now we'll check the settings in Dashcam mode. Note the resolution. I had it set to 1080p and it was overheating. If you park your car out in the sun on a very hot summer day like I did, it's not going to record video for very long until it glitches out. It permanently damaged my SD card. A workaround for this: if you're going to leave your car out in the sun for a few hours, take your Dashcam with you. I also set the resolution to 720p, which seems okay. There's also a second settings page where you can adjust your date and time. You can get to it from either settings page by pressing the menu button. Final thoughts. It works as intended straight out of the box. All you need to do is put an SD card in it. If you have an air-conditioned car that you park in the shade, you'll have no problem recording full HD. I chose 720p because it suits my needs and I also get long recording time. The settings menus are awful. You'll find yourself pressing the wrong button more than once. Once you've gone through and checked everything, there's nothing you need to do in there anyway. You just leave it connected and when you turn your car on, it starts recording. If you need to retrieve any footage, remove the SD card and put it in your computer. I use VLC Player to view the videos and also convert to other formats. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section and I'll reply as soon as I can. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. It'll really help me out. I'll leave you with this rainy day footage recorded at 720p. I'm driving through Tyro in southeast Queensland. In a moment when I turn right, I'll be heading southbound on the Bruce Highway. Thanks for watching.